are you, class? Are you fine, class? Senior 1, where are you? Senior 1, woo-loo-loo-loo. Senior 2, where are you? Where? Senior 1 and Senior 2 in the same class? Where are those who got pregnant during COVID? Where are the cheaters? University students, where are you? Where is the school askari? School askari, where are you? School askari is here. Kila for askari. Head boy, where are you? You are not head boy. Head boy must be having a big head. Head boy, where are you? We are younger women of Uganda.
Education, singing and dancing, rejoice together, uniting a better Uganda.
Oh, slave, slave, slave. Where?
Day and night.
Hallelujah. Sugar, Wani, twaja tuli mbuzi. Na yanga fe tuli embatento. Nga tudamo isatunya musanvu munana olutalo nga luwedde. Wewe tuli wati ngule olutalo nga luwedde. Ngule nimba moyo. You are all promoted to a class of your choice. Clap for yourselves, class. Because we are living in a wonderful world. A wonderful what? We are also living in a confused what? We are living in a confused what? Where we do not know who is the confused and the confused. Ask your neighbor, are you the confuser or the confusee? Are you the confuser or confused? First of all, we thank God who has brought us here. Who has brought us where? If you believe God brought you here, please clap for yourself. Those who have not clapped, may you die before Christmas. Because we are living in a confused what? Up to now, police is confusing Ugandans. Ugandans are confusing police. During those days, the role of police was to maintain law and what? Right now, it is the order that is maintaining police. And that is order from above. During those days, a friend in need was a friend in need. Right now, a friend in need is a parasite in need. Ask your neighbor, are you a friend or a parasite? Are you a friend or a parasite? During those days, we used to have the 4 F's in science. The 4 F's in what? Kiras, what were the 4 F's? We had the fingers, if you what? We had the flies, Frawati. After flies, we had the food, Fuati. And the last Nachijoba. Nachijoba's side feces, clap for her. But because of corruption, flies became Kentucky fried chicken. Instead of fingers, we have a musician called the Kokofi. Instead of feces, we have a musician called the Tafu B. Tafu what? Killer for Tafu B class. Because we are living in a confused what? First of all, I welcome all the beautiful women in the house. Women, clap for yourselves. They normally say behind every successful man there is a woman. There is a what? That means if you want to become more successful, you should have more women. Are we together, class? Someone was asking me, teacher Mpamire, teacher what? What do women want? Women, what do you want? Money. Money. Women, you need money. After money, again money. You want money again, you want money. Okay, after money, love. After love, sir, But women, the most important, you need to be given a time. Utawati. Therefore, we shall say women equals ita. And that is equation 1. Equation what? But remember, time is ma. Time is what? Therefore, we shall say women equals money. And that is equation money. That means women equals money times ita. Time goes into money wa. And money goes into time wa. That means it is equal to z. Therefore, we have to use the alphabetical O. Money and time, which comes first in alphabetical order? Money and time? Money. Money comes before time. That means we cancel time and we remain with the ma. Therefore, women need ma. Women need ma. But money is the root cause of all e. Of all what? Of all evil. Of all what? Therefore, we shall use the square root and say women equals money times e. Evil goes into money wa. And money goes into evil wa. That means it is equal to z. Money and evil, which comes first? Yeah? Evil comes before money. Therefore, women equals evil. Which is very wrong because these are the mothers of our country. Kill for them. It is only that we are living in a confused what? That's why Ugandan musicians are confusing Ugandans and music is confusing Uga. Music comes from the word mew. Tell your neighbor, mew. Repeat after me, mew. To amuse, to awati. That's why in Uganda we have active volcanic musicians. We have dormant volcanic musicians. And extinct volcanic what? Who are some of the active volcanic musicians who produce music day by day? Palazzo. Is the Palazzo active or dormant? Palazzo active or dormant? Active. Palazzo is an active volcanic music. Bebe Kulu. Active or dormant? Active or dormant? Dormant. Bebe Kulu is a dormant volcanic musician. Bobby Wayne. Active or dormant? Active or dormant? Active. Bobby Wine is active squared. Abudumulasi. Active dormant. Dormant. Genomegadi. Active dormant. Genomegadi is not only dormant but extinct. Extinct. That's why a person born in Uganda is a Yuga. A person born in Uganda is a Yuga. A person born in Kenya. A person born in Malawi. A person born in Ukraine. Which class is this? A person born in UK is what? A person born in US? US yani? Yeah? A person born in Kanyanya? Kanya? A person born in Mpamire? Mpamire. That's why I tell your neighbor, Auntie. Repeat after me, Auntie. Repeat after me, Auntie. This is a special announcement. It goes to every student. We should be proud of our continent. Being black is not an embarrassment. That was God's arrangement for us to have a black pigment, which makes us so different, unique and very intelligent. However, we shouldn't be silent on the issues of our continent. Mulago Hospital is like a monument. Our leaders are never consistent. They promise but not fulfillment. My humble request to the president, think about the people you represent before they force you into retirement. Like Mugabe, the former president, you can go to your dormitories. Thank you so much.
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabi ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku namba zino: 0702 104 125 oba 0755 311 731 oba 0777 223 405. King Montage Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.